Stop saying bold. This word makes you sound braver, smarter. Temerity. Pronounce it as Temerity. The stress is on the second syllable, mer. It means excessive confidence or boldness. Audacity. It often implies a lack of respect for convention or proper behavior. The young intern had the temerity to suggest a radical new strategy to the CEO on her first day, surprising everyone with her audacious proposal. Instead of saying boldness, say temerity to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word temerity in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.